Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on a brand, or a company I should say, called Mossery & Co. I purchased a bunch of really cute notebooks and sketchbooks from them back in November, so this is quite a long overdue video, but I did want to test them all out before doing a full review. So aesthetically, they're absolutely gorgeous. You might have seen these on Instagram depending on what type of communities you follow. They are very prominent in the journal community, the art community, bullet journaling, that type of thing. So I did get some of the normal notebooks, some of the like harder bound notebooks, and then a sketchbook or two. I think the quality is nice for sure. Aesthetically, these are absolutely beautiful. You kind of get to personalize a couple of details within the book and your name on the outside. So I really love that, and that's why I decided to splurge on these. The price point and the quality kind of makes me feel like it's overpriced, so you're paying for the beauty of it. But if you're someone who doesn't necessarily care that much about notebooks, you're better off just buying something from your local supply store, from like Erin Condren. There are just cheaper alternatives than this, unless you're really attached to one of the covers. Like, I really like the corgi one and the flamingo one. It's why I made the initial purchase, and I really like to splurge on notebooks and journals. They make me happy. That type of stationery is just really cute for me to have. Again, if you're not that into it, I wouldn't even bother looking at the website because it is expensive. Like, it just adds up very quickly, and even though I had a 15% off coupon at the time of purchase, it was still a lot of money. Like, that coupon barely made a dent to how much I was paying with all the products, on top of the fact that I was paying for shipping and all that stuff, and customs depending on where you live. I also managed, because it was like an order of well over $100, I had like a I forgot how they described it, but like a value pack of free goodies, which was like 3 little notebooks. I'm opening it right now. 3 little notebooks and some stickers, which was cute, but like I said, it's a little overpriced. And keep in mind that a lot of people who do reviews of them on YouTube are sponsored videos, or they have received some type of compensation for these items. So I do feel in some cases that definitely sways people's opinions, especially if you're an artist. You don't necessarily need a super expensive book with nice, decent quality paper, but you can definitely just go to Michael's and pick that up, or other places that sell similar art supplies. You know what I mean? Like, it's just something to keep in mind, that there are a lot of influencers out there that will rave about these solely because they got them for free or because they're getting paid for it, which is fine. Do your thing, but I don't think they're necessarily worth it unless you really love the aesthetics of it. So I'm probably going to play some music for the rest of this video because I don't want to keep repeating the same points over and over again. I think I have hopefully thoroughly explained how I feel about this brand. So that's my full review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys hopefully soon with another video.